Hi guys, I'm back with my weekly Wednesday washi tip, and since it's a new month, I've got some new banner styles for you. You'll start by laying out your washi like this with 2 smaller pieces at the top and the bottom offset to the right and left, and then 3 parallel pieces right down the middle, leaving about the width of washi tape between. And you can give it any edging that you want on those 2 shorter pieces. I've done the cute little fishtail here. And then you're gonna take a coordinating washi tape and we're gonna fill in these little corners. And all you're doing is cutting a little triangle from edge to edge of the washi because you want this to look like a ribbon that's sort of cascading down where the orange is the front and then the pink would be the back. And then we're gonna do the same and go through the center here and then just draw our angled lines from corner to corner. And you can do this as many layers as you want. That's what's great about this style. But here I've just done a little happy fall, y'all. For this second style, I think I've shown you something similar before, but you're just gonna tear enough pieces of washi for each letter that you wanna use in the banner. And even though I had pre-drawn some lines here, I never get it centered. So the greatest thing about washi is you can just peel it up and reposition it. So I'm placing them here across the center, drawing a straight line across the top so that they're equal, and then you'll just give it an edging detail at the bottom. And then I'm gonna go back through and just draw in a pole. So it's like kind of flags hanging on a pole here. And I know some people stay away from bullet journaling because they don't like their handwriting. Don't forget you can use cute little stickers like these to write your words for your titles. Hope you guys found these 2 new banner styles helpful. If so, hit that like button. I will see you next week for another tip, and happy Washi Wednesday, guys.